Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a review of Bitbuy, one of Canada's most popular cryptocurrency exchanges. Let's see if it's worth your time and money. First off, what is Bitbuy? Bitbuy is a crypto exchange that started in 2016 and quickly gained recognition for its user-friendly platform and strong security. It's designed for both beginners and experienced traders looking to buy, sell, and trade a range of cryptocurrencies. So, what sets Bitbuy apart? Here are some key points. Ease of use. The platform is simple, making it easy for anyone to get started with intuitive navigation and straightforward purchasing option. Variety of cryptos. Bitbuy supports popular coins like Bitcoins, Ethereum, and more, offering users decent option for trading. Security. With two-factor authentication and a cold storage system for the majority of funds, Bitbuy takes security seriously, which is crucial in the crypto world. Fast transactions. Unlike some platforms, Bitbuy ensures fast processing times for deposits and withdrawals. Now let's talk fees. Bitbuy has competitive rates, especially for a platform that focuses on user experience. The fees can range depending on whether you are using the basic or pro trading platform, so it's worth comparing them if you plan on trading frequently. To summarize, here are the pros and cons. Pros: user friendly, great security, fast transactions, Canadian dollar support. And the cons are higher fees on certain transaction types, limited altcoin selection compared to bigger exchanges like Binance. Overall, Bitbuy is a solid choice for Canadian crypto enthusiasts, especially if you're looking for ease of use and strong security. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.